Hello everyone, in this video we are going to solve these questions of exercise 2.3. In question number 6 it is given that this equation and you have to solve this. In doing so, firstly we have to open this bracket. For that we have to multiply this 3 with this term and with also this term. So when 3 is multiplied by x, it will give 3x, and when multiplied by -1, it will give -3, and rest will remain as it is. Solving this variable have to shift it in this side, so this positive will become negative, and this constant when shifted to that side will give minus. This and this solved will give 5x. This and this when added will give 7. So 5x will give 0. So x would be equal to 0 upon 5. So x would be 0 because 0 upon something is 0. Start. In question number 7, before solving this, we again have to open this bracket. And say what we have done in this case, we have multiplied 3 with this and 3 with this also. Same case, we have to multiply this constant with first term and again with second term. So when this is multiplied by x will give 4 upon 5x, and when this is multiplied by this will give 4 upon 5 is multiplied by 10. When cancel out will give 4 upon 5x plus 8 and is x. So we have to shift this variable to this side, which will 4 upon 5x will become minus, and it is minus, it is plus x and is equals to 8. Solving this as 5 as an LCM, minus 4x plus 5x equals to 8, and this is equals to x, and when this is 5 shifted to that side should multiply 8, so x would come out to be 40. In question number 8, to solve this equation, firstly we have to take the LCM because there is nothing written on this, so we can assume it as 1. So taking LCM as 3, it is 2x plus 2x plus 3, and here it is 15, 7x plus 45. In this case, we can also cancel numerator or the denominator when they are opposite side of equals to sign. So when this denominator cancel out will give 5, and when cross multiplying it will give 10x plus 15 equals to 7x plus 45, and when this is shifted to this side will give 3x, and when this is shifted to that side will give 30, so x would be 10. In question number 9, again we have to take the LCM. So 3 would be the LCM, 6y plus 5, and here 3 would be the LCM and 3y. Again we can cancel out same denominators. So answer, so the remaining would be when this 3y is shifted to this side will be positive 3, and this would be minus 3. Further solving is this and this when added will give 9y, and this when subtracted will give 21. So y would be equal to 21 upon 9, which is equal to further 7 by 3. In this question also, because here is a fraction, so we have to take the LCM first. So 5 is the LCM, and it would be 25m plus 8 is equal to 3m. Now we can cross multiply these because only one fraction is on the both side of equals to sign. So this when multiplied with this will give 15m and this would be plus 8. So when this is shifted to that side and this constant shifted to this side will give minus 8 and it would be, and this is 10m is equals to 8. Sorry, here it is minus 8, so this should be minus 8, and when minus 8 shifted to this side will become positive 8. So m would be equals to 8 upon 10, which is further when cancelled out would be equals to 4 upon 5. So m would be equals to 4 upon 5. Thank you.